Good morning all. Myself, I'm Dr.M innovator from CSC. In this video, we'll be seeing on the resume screening in DD aspect by my students. Before getting into that video, I just want them to introduce themselves.
Hello everyone, I'm Sahana, third year CSCC, SNS College of Technology.
I'm Uma Bharati, third year CSCC from SNS College of Technology.
I'm Priyanka, third year CSCC, SNS College of Technology.
I'm Vinusha, third year CSCC, SNS College of Technology.
Okay, our project is a resume screening system where HR recruiters and professionals automates the candidates who is best qualified for the appropriate position. So in empathy phase, I have studied the pain points and the users' challenges in finding the best resume for the qualified job position. So in this project, the users are the primary users are HR professionals and recruiters. If a company if they advertise for a specific position, like for example, we'll take a software engineer for an Tata company or any other Infosys company. The major candidates will, of course, apply for that single position. What if there is thousands of candidates apply for a single position? We have to screen each and every person's resume. We have to filter out by their skills and also non-technical skills, which will best suit for the job position. So this will be a manual work, and also it will be so much time consuming for the recruiters to find a best and qualified person for the specific job. Then if there is an smart system, actually here there is a need of an intelligent system which easily filters out a best resume for the specified job position. So let's see each stage one by one. So you have 5 stages as usual. That is, first is empathy, next is define, then ideate, prototype, and list. So we'll discuss one by one.
So next we are going to discuss about define part. In the define part, many HRs sees the manual resume. It is difficult to see the resume manually. It is insufficient and insufficient. They don't know which resume will have the exact skill by the users. So the by automating the resume screening, so it is useful for the HRs to filter out the resumes based on the skills, experience, job descriptions. So in the defined part, the main key requirements are the so by building the resume automate screening time, so it will useful for the HRs to filter out their what job it will require the what skills and I experience. So automating the automating the automating the resume, it is useful for the HRs. So next discuss about the other stage.
Coming to the ideate phase, main goal coming to the ideate phase, the main goal is to build a system which reduces the time consumed by the recruiters during the screening process. In this problem statement, the user and solution that we are going to propose, the user is going to upload the resume and the screening system. The screening system processes the resume using the NLP technique, which extracts the text and it also reads the context behind the text. It helps to match for the job description, and finally it gives the scores and ranks for the resume. In this ideate phase, it is the process which is used.
So next I'm going to explain about prototype stage. In this I'm started building the actual system based on the libraries like pandas to learn the data processing and machine learning. So it can make the system user friendly. I used a simple interface like a streamlit and Flask. It can upload the resume and view the result easily.
In testing phase, the final step is to test the system that we have built. In testing phase, we are going to test using set of resumes. We are going to upload it and we are going to watch the system if it processes the resumes and matches the job description. And it also, we found that it also reduces the time consumed by the recruiters during the screening process. It also has some limitations like resume screening system cannot able to understand the complex structures and data present in the resumes. Further testing process also improves the structures by integrating it with large data sets and comparing it with more resumes. We can also improve the system's performance by comparing it with other apps and also improving it by integrating with deep learning.
So I'd like to thank my the students for sharing their experience and knowledge in this project. So I do thank you all again. For viewers, if you have any queries, you can put it in the comment box section. Thank you all. Thank you.